Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Placino Fishing Rod and Reel. The rod has aluminum oxide guide inserts and is telescopic. It has sensitive graphite blanks and comes in multiple actions and lengths. Made out of a blend of carbon fiber and fiberglass, this rod is durable and equipped with stainless steel hooded reel seats for ultimate corrosion resistance. When you buy this fishing rod and reel combo from Placino, you'll get everything you need for a fun-filled day out on the water. You'll get the bass rod and reel, of course, but you'll also get a carrying case, a set of fishing line, and a box of lures. Perfect for sea fishing and boat fishing, this rod collapses into multiple pieces for easy travel. And let's not forget about the reel. The reel has a thick coiled bail spring and an S-curve oscillation system for exceptional line winding. It is made out of aluminum and has a handle that is interchangeable for both right and left-handed people. Stainless steel hooded reel seat holds up well for multi-purpose use in saltwater along with freshwater. Our second best bass fishing rod and reel is Cast King Crixus Fishing Rod and Reel. With light, strong, and sensitive IM6 graphite rod blanks, this premium fishing rod is worth the buy all on its own. Available in a variety of lengths from 5.5 to 6.5 feet long, this fishing rod offers exceptional performance and is perfect for bass along with a variety of other species, including walleye, panfish, and trout. Another option by Cast King is the Crixus Fishing Rod and Reel combo. It offers great value and is made out of durable carbon fiber. All are high performing and come with reels equipped with carbon infused frames, 5+1 stainless steel ball bearings, aluminum spools, and smooth drags. Available for both right-handed and left-handed people. It is a lightweight and sensitive rod. Third pick in our list is Cast King Centron Spinning Reel. The Cast King Centron spinning reel and fishing rod combo can be found in multiple sizes and actions, with options varying from 6 feet to 7.5 feet. No matter which option you choose, you'll find that the rod is sensitive and lightweight. It is equipped with IM7 graphite blanks that will give you great value and performance. Perfect for bass along with other fish species, like catfish, trout, bass, and panfish. The rod is equipped with stainless steel guides. These guides have premium O-ring inserts that allow you to use the rod with both braided and mono lines. It has a lightweight stainless steel frame that not only looks great but helps keep the weight down on your rod, too. Each combo includes a perfectly matched Cast King Centron spinning reel that matches the rod and the type of fish that it is intended for. Reel sizes start at a compact size 2000 and go all the way to a powerful size 5000 that is perfect for the 8 heavy action rod intended for catfish, salmon, and steelhead. Number 4 in our side is Zebco 33 Spinning Reel Fishing Rod. The Zebco 33 telescopic fishing rod and reel combo is available in both 5 and 6 feet, both as a spin cast and spinning option as well as a micro trigger spin. With a medium fast action, this telescopic rod is great for bass along with trout, panfish, walleye, and more. It comes with fiberglass rod blanks for added strength and durability, along with tough D-ring guides. You'll get a smooth cast and retrieve, and you will love how comfortable the EVA handle is on your hands. It also has a quick set anti-reverse for a solid hook set. You can switch up the right and left hand retrieve for a more versatile configuration. The reel comes with all metal gears for added durability and gear life. You'll rest easy knowing that your rod and reel are designed to last for quite some time. Number 5 in our top 5 best bass fishing rod and reel list is Tailored Tackle Fishing Rods Reels. The Tailored Tackle Bass Fishing Rod and Reel Bait Casting Combo was designed specifically with bass in mind, so it is ideal for catching bass. It is inexpensive and easy to use, making it a great first baitcaster for those looking to learn how to master this style of fishing. The Tailored Tackle Base Reel has 7 ball bearings, creating smooth casting and retrieval. It has a speedy 6:3:1 gear ratio, so you can reel in quickly without sacrificing torque. A pop-out spool makes it easy to fix tangles and knots in your line. It has a magnetic braking system and a maximum drag of up to 17.5 pounds. The rod included in the tailored tackle bass fishing combo is a 7-inch long bait caster with a strong backbone. It is a medium-heavy rod with a fast action, perfect for catching bass. This rod can cast long distances accurately, and can handle tough fighting fish. It comes in 2 pieces for easy storage, and has EVA foam for an ergonomic pistol grip. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.